actually went to find my family, and they were actually all waiting at the parking. So everybody was there, everybody from Sinaloa who watched was also there. So I felt really loved, and I've actually shared this one before too. I've never felt so supported and loved like this before since I joined pageantry, and I felt like everybody was there backing me up, still rooting for me and all. And there was a lot of emotions going on, roller coasters of emotions, all the highs and the lows. I was able to feel it afterwards, but they made everything so special. They made that situation really special, and they made me feel loved. So I'm really grateful for my family for being there waiting for me after.
Hello. So actually, I'm gonna be real. I was enjoying my time the whole entire night. If you saw my face during swimsuit, I think you know that I was really enjoying. For me, the second that I was called into top 6 was where I already felt like I was a winner in my own right. Only because I knew how tough this batch was, and it just meant a lot to even just be there in the top 6. One thing I prayed for before we even started was I just want the ability to answer Q&A. And so the fact that I was able to do that and just share my heart, I was so happy after. We kept taking photos na backstage after that part. We were all just super happy. And after just seeing my family, all the different events we've had, my family are always waiting there for me to come out. One candidate out of 66, my family is just waiting there for me. And so coming back home to them, especially that we're not from here, we're from Cebu. So seeing everyone who flew all the way out just for me was just the biggest celebration after.
Super. Last ka na, Atisa. Go ahead. Win-win? Yeah.
I think you were there, Miss Dayan. Yeah, you were there. That moment when my daughter ran up to me and my partner. So, hindi natulog yung daughter ko from the start of the pageant until the end of the pageant. Hanggang pag-uwi namin, gising na gising siya holding the banner Muntinlupa. So, my partner had that photo. So, I think yun na yung prize ko talaga na my daughter has seen me on the Miss Universe Philippines stage, that she could say that when she goes to school that my mom is Miss Universe Philippines first runner-up. So,
of course, thank you, Miss Dayan, for capturing that moment. So right after the coronation night, I feel like I had the immediate meet and greet with all of the Chelsea supporters. So thank you for capturing po. And of course, aside from that, my best friend, she's working in Qatar, and she went home just to watch my coronation night, and was really amazed and shocked when I saw her, and of course I cried a lot. And she was actually the reason why I joined Miss Universe Philippines, because I asked her to actually ask for a sign. So siya talaga ang nag-push sa akin. That's why I'm really grateful for her, and I'm so thankful that she really went home just to see my coronation night.
Taguig, you were so stunning. I loved your hair all throughout, I must say. Really,
thank you, Miss
really
Dayan. For me naman po, during that time, out of the arena, straight lumabas po ako, thinking, sino kaya susundo sa akin? Is my family still there? Because my parents were senior citizens. So, inisip ko, baka umuwi na sila agad. So, ang sumalubong po sa akin out of the arena is my friends, second family ko. They were all shouting, cheering for Taguig, and I was so happy to see them. And then when I saw my family, when I came home na sa bahay, may nakita akong tarpaulin. Yung mom ko nagpa-print agad ng tarpaulin, so it's all there. Miss Supranational, she's so proud, and if she's watching this, I love you, Ma, and Miss Supranational ka na. So I'm so thankful, I'm so happy for this opportunity.
Atisa.
My moment was, I haven't even left the stage. The moment they called my name as Miss Universe Philippines, I was happy, but also I was so happy with everyone's reaction that, it's also their dream to be Miss Universe Philippines, but I saw how much they celebrated that I won. And it really shows how amazing all of these women are. Even though they had to give up on their dreams, or I got their dream at this time, they were happy for me and they celebrated me.